Hi everyone, I'm Abby J from the Ingles table with a fun family recipe just for you. It's my very own pumpkin spice that you can use with popcorn, nuts, and you can make your very own pumpkin latte. I've already been to Ingles to get my ingredients. Now it's time to get started. 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. This is 4 teaspoons of ginger. And we have 2 teaspoons of allspice. And we have cloves, 1 teaspoon, and we have nutmeg. And these smell just like fall, and you want to just incorporate the spices. And I'm going to show you how to use these on your favorite snacks. And the first one is popcorn. This really adds so much flavor. Then you have your mixed nuts, and this goes well with a party. Just shake this up and get those flavors incorporated. Wow, it smells just like fall. And then my last one is the latte. It's one of my favorite things. It's my favorite thing to do in the fall. And what you do here is you get 2 cups of milk, you get pumpkin puree, about 3 tablespoons, and then you heat it up about 3 minutes in the microwave, and you add 1 cup of coffee with this and pour it up. And the last thing you want to do is you want to add whipped cream, like so, and you will add the pumpkin spice. Can't do it without the pumpkin spice, and it smells so delicious, and 1 stick of cinnamon. And that's it. I know you and your family are going to love this wonderful treat. I want to thank you so much for joining me here today at the Ingles table. Make sure and enjoy the rest of the site for great recipes, tricks, and tips. Until then, I'll see you next time.